So now I'm going to try to solder a wire onto this bright LED, and it's a little harder to see while I'm filming than probably what you see on camera right there. I'm not looking through the camera. In any case, I want the wire in this direction, so I'm just going to set it in that solder. Hopefully, yeah, that did not work out too well right there. So let's work our way back. And okay, let's try just pushing down on it right there. So yeah, that did not work out terribly well. But there, I think that will hold for now. So now, what I'm going to try to do is get some solder on there and then rub it on the wire. So I'm going to try to make a short out of this. So try to make it as quick as possible. Get a little bit of solder on there. But in case now, I'm going to touch the pad right there and try to fill the pad up with solder, and there we go. I think that'll be alright. Now I'll try to just slide this on, hopefully without losing the solder again. I'll try to go a little bit slower right there. So yeah, I think this one might be okay right there. I do have to touch up the other one that I did earlier. So now, after I kind of got that tacked on, it wasn't too great. I just put some more solder onto the iron, and there we go. And then I just added it. I'm going to hold the black wire, so you might not see it when I make it short, to kind of stabilize it. But get a little bit more solder onto there, and kind of rub it on the wire a little bit. And we should get a better connection right there. So, not perfect. And also, looking through the camera, I can't see it as well. But there we go. I think that one will be alright.